Here's a case study of a small-scale, very temporary parklet that was only available during a 3-hour video projection exhibition on the wall of an adjacent building. My business partner and I created the installation, which also included a 2-part street-level parklet component sited at the 2 optimal viewing locations that combined projected art, light, and sound with sculptural elements. This project, which we called stereo optics, engaged several principles that are important in the exploration phase, beginning with research into code and compliance issues, from building codes to ADA requirements and right-of-way permits. We had to purchase a sidewalk permit, which obliged us to maintain ADA clearance and general circulation access around the project, and we needed to obtain permission from building owners to use the sidewalks that bordered their buildings. Another big research and exploration process starts when the budget is identified. It will almost certainly be below what you've hoped for, but if it's a project that will enhance the urban environment, which is exactly what a parklet is, don't be too concerned, since there are many public and private grants and subsidies available for urban development right now. In fact, in Wichita, there's an organization called the Wichita Downtown Development Corporation, and they have a database of this kind of information. Check to see what's available in your city. Security was an issue, as was lighting. We needed our parklet to be lit well enough to avoid accidents and deter vandals, but not so brightly as to detract from the video projection itself. I cannot stress how imperative it is to be very thoughtful in your parklet's lighting scheme. The light intensity, direction, and color all play major roles in determining the success or failure of your design. Unfortunately, there appears to be a trend in exterior civic lighting requirements these days that makes most otherwise beautiful parks feel like airport runways at night. Not super romantic, nor particularly safe. More and brighter light actually can make it more difficult to see beyond the range of the light source itself. Doing actual on-site tests will help a great deal in this area of research. And lastly, at least for my partner and I, we needed to figure out exactly what kind of reward our parklet would offer its users. What would compel them to stop, stay a while, and even come back.